In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Etsy using your desktop computer. Whether you're a frequent Etsy buyer or an enthusiastic seller, having the right profile picture is crucial for making a great first impression. So let's walk through this simple process together. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Etsy.com. If you aren't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to sign in. Once you've successfully logged in, take a look at the top right-hand corner of the Etsy homepage. There, you'll find an option labeled Your Account. Give it a click, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Settings. This will take you to a new page where various aspects of your account can be managed. Once you're on the Account Settings page, your next step is to move to the section dedicated to your public profile. This might also be listed as your bio and profile picture. This is where information visible to other Etsy users, like your profile picture, is managed. In this section, you'll see a button inviting you to upload a new picture, often labeled as Choose File or Browse, depending on your browser. Click on this button, and a dialog box will appear, allowing you to navigate your computer's directories to locate the perfect image. Before selecting an image, there are a few technical details to keep in mind to ensure your image uploads successfully. It's important that the image is at least 400 by 400 pixels in dimension. Also, make sure that the file size does not exceed 10 megabytes. In terms of format, Etsy supports .jpg, .png, and .gif files, so ensure your picture is saved in one of these formats. With these criteria met, proceed to select your desired image from your computer by double-clicking it or selecting Open. Once your image is chosen, a preview might appear, allowing you to verify that the correct picture is uploaded. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on Save Changes to confirm your new profile picture. It's worth noting that, while you cannot delete your profile picture from Etsy completely, you have the flexibility to update it at any time by following these same steps. This means you can refresh your profile's look as often as you like, keeping it current and engaging for anyone who visits your profile. And there you have it, a simple way to change your profile picture on Etsy that ensures you're putting your best digital face forward. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.